About this item, speed charging, IPREMIUM 20W USB-C power adapter provides 20W power to fast charge at full speed for new iPhone 14/14 Pro Max, or other USB-C devices that support USB power delivery. Up to 3 times faster than the original 5W iPhone charger. Compact and portable, 0.86-inch ultra-thin design and lightweight ensure maximum portability wherever you want to go. Offers fast and efficient charging at home, in the office, or on the go. Broad compatibility, works excellently for iPhone 14/14 Pro/14 Pro Max/14 Plus/13/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/13 Mini/12/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/12 Mini/XS/XS Max/XR/X/8 Plus/8, iPad Pro, AirPods Pro, MagSafe and other device that supports USB-C power delivery, including Samsung Galaxy S20, S21 Plus and Google Pixel 4 Thirds XL. Certified safety, ETL, FCC, CE, ROHS certificate. Multi-charging protection keeps your device safe from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating and short-circuiting. Exhaustive protection while charging. What you get: 1x20W USB-C PD wall charger, 24/7 friend.